How to change Roblox name tag color. For this, open a preferred browser and launch your Roblox either in your application or on your web browser, and make sure to log into your Roblox account. Now once you are logged in, and if you want to play a game, you will find some of the random name color tags that can be annoying sometimes. If you go ahead and check out the settings of the Roblox, you will see that there is no such setting where we can actually change the color of the name tag. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, the name tag is actually in the chat settings. Sometimes it is red, sometimes it is white, purple or green. These are all random, but how about if we want our own customized color? Can we actually change it? So for this, if we go ahead and search for Roblox support and tap on contact us, in the box you can go ahead and search for change the name tag color. It will display something about the color of the name tag being random, as I already mentioned. You will find some of the articles that you can check it out. So right here you have to tap on how do I change the color of my name in an experience. So right here, as you can see, it is mentioned currently in experience, name colors are assigned random. At the time, this is not way to manually assign this color or change it. So we cannot do anything on our end. However, we can expect an update from here and we can actually assign a custom color for us only. And that's pretty much it for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.